So simple self-massage technique for pain in the wrists, loss of grip in the hand, numbness, tingling, pain in the forearms, all signs of carpal tunnel syndrome. May not necessarily be carpal tunnel syndrome, but any of those symptoms, just tired hands. First one I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put my knee on here, and then palm is up. So I'm going to use my forearm just to massage down through this muscle group, which are wrist flexors. And as I do that, I can extend, I can flex, I can make a fist, do some rotation, some side medial ulnar deviation, side bending as I work down through that group. I can also fix a point and then pronate, try and turn the palm down, supinate up, like so. So you're not looking to turn it all the way, just to get some differentiation between the ulnar and the radial bones, the radius bone. Be careful when you come up towards the carpal tunnel, because there's inflammation there, you don't want to make it any worse. But if these muscles here are tight, then you're going to know about this one, and it'll feel good. It should feel good. So again, anything that feels nice through here. You can use your elbow if you want to be more specific. And it's kind of nice because then you really feel which of these muscles innervate these fingers. Turning the palm over, working down the wrist extensors now. Again, you can fix a point, pronate, supinate, extend, flex, do some rotations, anything that feels nice. And once you've done that, you can just take it into the palm, take the elbow into the palm, and you can move your hand around like so. You can move your elbow around, you can open and close. Anything again that feels nice. Obviously, if you do self-massage with your hand, if you've got wrist pain, if you've got weakness here, tightness through the forearms, your hands are going to be tight and tired already, so you don't want to make them worse. So now that I've done that, I'm going to change arms, and I am going to kneel on my forearm like so. So this is stronger, you can use more pressure, but it's also easier because you're not using your other arm, you're not using your shoulder. So here, same thing, pronate, supinate, pronate, supinate, working along. You can do some circles, any of the other stuff that we were doing. And the rule is, if it feels nice, it's probably good for you. And there we have it.